But, Your Lordship, if I may ask you, does the question of corruption in judiciary worry you? First of all, is there corruption? Is there significant corruption?
There is allegations of corruption. We do not know exactly what facts are there. Sometimes because some allegations we hear from some courts, that worries. Even the allegations itself is a worrying thing. Not that actual some judges about some people, the allegations are there. I don't say that no we are free from if there is corruption or not. I can't say.
So Justice Verma had said on the day of his retirement, he said there is corruption, there is no point getting away from it, we have to handle it, we have to deal with it. Do you agree with that view, that some of it is there?
There are allegations of corruption.
Right.
That may be true or may not be true. But I cannot say the percentage of corruption.
Right. No, the percentage obviously will be very low. Because even the Prime Minister has expressed concern on this now.
It's really a worrying thing, because the people come to court and get justice, then they feel that the justice is being purchased, at least in a few cases.
Right.
That is really a worrying thing.
Right.
It should not happen. People should have free, independent, impartial the judicial system.
So where do you stand on the current debate on how to tackle judicial corruption? There is a bill, but there are various solutions that various institutions have.
It is very difficult to detect corruption, especially in judiciary. It is sometimes the corruption may be in areas which is not detectable at all.
Right.
But if there is such allegations, then the traditional way of this impeachment and all, as everybody knows,
but that's very complicated.
Very complicated. Sometimes it is not possible to detect. And
the last time it happened, politics won.
The major thing we can do is that the judicial appointments, whether it is with the executive, whether it is with the judiciary, or if any case of doubtful integrity is there, we shall not take a risk.
Right. You should take the reaction.
Whenever there is a doubtful integrity, we shall not appoint such persons.
Are you generally satisfied with the system of appointments now? Because there have been some problems.
General it is not transparent and all, because some people say about transparency and all. Transparency, there is transparency in America, but it's a political appointment.
Right.
The American president selects his own party man as the Chief Justice or the Judge of the Supreme Court.
Right.
He who has been conducting cases the particular political. Here it is not. Then it should be transparent. The other side should have at least have the opportunity to challenge his integrity. The questioning, he will be grilled in the Senate and all these procedures. It is transparent. But here it is not like that. The judges play the vital role, major role in selecting candidates, and the judges mostly know who are all. Sometimes the persons, the initial recruitment, he may be a member of the bar, but nevertheless we can know by his actions, his conduct and all. By and large, he enjoys a good reputation in the bar. So that is the.
You would say the system as it exists now is pretty much satisfactory for appointments. Or should there be improvements?
Improvement should be always there. Whatever thing you should have, everybody would like to have a better system.
So you would say that there's no such a system can always be perfected, but this is as good as it can get right now.
Yes.
So some of the recent skirmishes that have taken place over appointments don't worry you.
That is, or some people have some allegations, but we are trying to make the system as good as possible. Taking somebody to some places and posting somewhere, and these sort of changes would help the system. So in some courts there are so many litigations, so many important litigations, some high courts, so the stakes are very high. So if there are any such possible things, we would like to.
One prize, or maybe either reward or punishment, whatever, howsoever you look at it, of being the youngest High Court judge, probably the youngest Supreme Court judge, is a long tenure. You have 3 years and 4 months, which is a very long tenure for a Supreme Court.
Comparatively, it is long tenure.
When you conclude that, what would you like to be remembered for?
After my people would say that every judge would like to be called, here goes a good judge.
So I think that's frankly that's a good enough wish. People should say he was a good judge, and he made a mark forever. He set a trail that others had to follow. So that's our wish to you. All great wishes for your new assignment, which begins the new year. So very happy New Year as well.
Thank you.
I'm so privileged you found the time. This is unprecedented. Chief Justice Designate speaking on a television interview. I'm very grateful to you also for inviting me to this wonderful village. And I hope we can do this again.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.